this video we will see some basics operations in database. So here we see insert, select, update and delete operations. So the first question we will solve is create a table deposit with the following specification. We want to create a table with the column name of account number, channel, customer name, bank name, amount and date. So account number is var character, so we give account number var character, then customer name var character, then bank name var character, amount numbers 8, 2. So then date equal to date. So we create using create table name, and then we give which the variables are inside. So the table created. In the same way we create the table branch, and we create a table called customer, but here we create a table branch with the different data types, like we create bname variable and city variable. Same way here we create a customer with the variables of cname and city. Then we create a table called borrow, and this with the column name of Lano, cname, bname, account. Then fifth question is insert the following data. So here we see the insert function. So how to insert data into the column is just insert into which table we want to. So I want to give it in deposit, so deposit values, I give the values in the following, so it will be added. Then in branch table, so same way insert into which table means branch table. So what are the values, I will give it here, so it will be added. Then in customer tables, the same way insert into customer values. The same way borrow table also insert into borrow values of the value. So list all the data from the table. So how to list all the element means select is the command used to select the particular from the from which the table. So for star means we select all from the table called deposit, so it show everything in the table. So then I select all from borrow. In the same way we select only account number and amount of depositor, so we give select account number and account number and amount from deposit table, so it show the account number and amount. Then cname from customer table, same way select the cname from customer table. Name of branches, select bname from branch. Then we display the name of customer living in city Nagpur, so select cname from customer there, where keyword is used to compare the values. So where city equal to Nagpur. The same way where amount greater than 4,000, who have amount greater than 4,000, we will display that. So the command for this is select cname from deposit where amount greater than 4,000. So then the 13th question is display the account date means select date from deposit where cname Anil. So I want to get the detail for only for Arun, so it show the date. Then display the name of all branches located in city Bombay, so select the bname from branch where city equal to Bombay is used to display the display the branches which are located in Bombay. Then 15th question is name of depositor having account at VRCE. So bank name is equal to VRCE. Then display the name of all branches located in city Delhi. So the same way of here we get the Bombay means here we get Delhi. Then the 17th question is display the name of customer who opened account after a date greater than 1 December 1995. Then display the account number and deposit amount of customer having account open between. So here we use to which data between here and here. So 1 December 1996 and 1 June 1996. So this is 1995. So 1995 to 1996. Then we give 10% interest to all depositor means update deposit set amount equal to amount plus amount into 10 by 100. Then give 10% interest to all depositor having branch of VRCE. So who have account in VRCE we give 10% interest. Then we have changed the living city of VRCE branch borrows to Nagpur. So who have account in VRCE we will change them to Nagpur. So here there is no VRCE accounts. So here we have Anil as VRCE. Here we change Anil as Nagpur. Then we change the deposit of VRCE branch 2000 and change the branches VRCE. So first we want to update that amount. So update deposit set amount is 1000 where branch name of VRCE. Then we want to change the branch name as VRCE of Ambassador. So we change that. Then we use the delete customer from Bombay city. So delete from the table name is customer. Then where city is Bombay. Then display the customer detail who names end with the letter L I. So select all from depositor where C name like modulus I. So it shows the customer name which and all ends with the I. Then we have the second column. So here we have save point and rollback. So here we insert so we created a branch table in the above first problem, but here we add the data like Dharmaburi and Dharmapet and Nagpur. Same way we will insert the values MG Road and Bangalore. So create a save point. So save point A. So the syntax is save point A. Then the third one is we will add few more things in table branch. Then roll back to A. So the rollback completed. Then we add the following data. So we add this following data again. Then we give commit. So perform rollback to A means rollback to A, rollback completed. Okay, thanks for watching.